Hi, my name is Jeff Downs. I'm your professor for this course. This is Math 126, Pre-Calculus 1, Section 4051, an online section. So again, my name is Jeff Downs. My email address is jeffrey.downs@wnc.edu. Homepage is listed there. Although the college has been doing some stuff with their webpage, so that may not work anymore. Aspen 224 is my office. That's on the Carson campus. And my office phone number is 445-4400. Now the office hours as they are currently scheduled are going to be Tuesday 12:30 to 2, Wednesday 9:30 to 10:30, and 11:30 to 12:30, and then Thursday 9:30 to 11. I may have to change that. I'm trying to work around people's schedules. I do have a live lesson planned for my Jumpstart sections online, and if we need to work around something, we will. So be flexible on the office hours. I will update you if they have to change. Prerequisites Math 96, or 3 units of high school mathematics at the level of algebra and above. Course description provides a third course in algebra. Topics include polynomial, rational, and radical equations, absolute value and quadratic inequalities, relations of functions, linear, quadratic, polynomial, exponential, and logarithmic functions, their graphs, applications, and systems of equations. Course objectives. Upon completion of this course, successful students should be able to do the following: solve polynomial, radical, and irrational equations, solve absolute value and quadratic inequalities, identify functions and find inverse functions, graph, find slopes and equations of linear functions and use them in models, sketch the graphs of basic functions and transformations of them, graph polynomial, exponential, and logarithmic functions and use them in models, solve systems of equations and inequalities, not necessarily linear. Course credits 3. Transferability within Nevada. This course is designed to apply toward a WNC degree and or transfer to other schools within the Nevada system of higher education, depending on the degree chosen and other courses completed. It may transfer to colleges and universities outside Nevada. For information about how this course can transfer and apply to your program of study, please contact a counselor. Linkage to college mission: apply mathematical and analytical problem-solving skills through the use of polynomial, exponential, and logarithmic functions, the application of systems of equations and applications of matrices. Provide instruction that contributes to students' ability to think critically and solve problems, to reason mathematically, and apply computational skills. Our textbook will be Pre-Calculus 2nd edition by Paul Sison from Hawkes Learning System. You have choices. You can get the book with the software and ebooks. If you want to do online homework, you'll need that software. You can get the book with just the software. Well, and then now it's just access to the site, because we don't do the downloads anymore. It's just going to be you go to the site and log into the system. You can get the book alone or get the access alone. So there are options there. Supplies: calculator. I recommend you get a calculator. TI-84 would work, 83 would work, 89 is what I like to use. But you can also use programs like Desmos and others online, so you wouldn't have to put out the money. You do need some kind of textbook though. The grade breakdown: midterm, you get 1 at 200 points. Discussions, minimum of 10 postings at 10 points each, 100 points. So that's discussion postings in Canvas. Homework: 5 chapters at 40 points each. Quizzes, 10 at 10 points each, and the final 1 at 200 points. So a total of 800 points. So you'll get a midterm, and it's on October 17th, 2017. I believe everyone in this course is with a cohort, so we can do a proctored midterm. Course ID for the online homework is, our online work is Math 126 Online Fall 2017. Discussions: you must provide at least 10 discussion postings in the discussion board. The postings must be substantive, not simply say "I agree." You can either ask a question from our material or you can answer someone else's question. Your first posting should be an introduction about yourself. Homework: you have 2 choices for homework in this class. You can either do the Hawkes Learning System section certifications, so it says certify, that's the homework right there. Or you can do the homework assigned with each lesson in class. Homework counts for a total of 200 points. If you try the Hawks and prefer to go to the traditional homework, you may do so. If you do the traditional paper homework, you must fax, email, or mail. I actually prefer you just upload it inside a Canvas. But you have to get the homework to me somehow. And there are tools. One's called Tiny Scanner, and you can use your phone to take pictures, and it makes them in PDF, so it's very low memory usage, and you can upload that inside a Canvas. Quizzes, there'll be 11 quizzes. The top 10 quizzes will count for the grade. Quizzes can be found in the modules in Canvas unless you are a fast track student. I don't think we have any in this section, but just in case, I left that in there. Final exam, there'll be a proctored paper final exam on December 12th, 2017. Live meetings, there'll be weekly live meetings currently scheduled for Thursdays from 1 to 2 p.m. These sessions are insufficient in time for lessons to be taught. Lessons are already in Canvas and in the modules. The live meetings are intended to be a time that students can ask questions and present problems that they have encountered. Attendance, students are expected to participate and keep pace on a regular basis. Students failing to keep pace or answer emails from the instructor for 2 or more weeks may be dropped from the course. Any departure from the attendance policy must be pre-approved by September 8th, 2017. Ethics statement, no cheating of any kind will be tolerated. Any student caught cheating, attempting to cheat, or assisting in the cheating of another student will be expelled from the class with a failing grade. Early alert, please note that in an effort to help students successfully complete their courses, the counseling office on campus will ask faculty for names of students they feel may be in need of additional assistance. A counselor may contact you to offer some ideas. Grade appeals can be made to Gary Schwartz at gary.schwartz@wnc.edu. Disability statement. Western Nevada College supports providing equal access for students with disabilities. The syllabus is available in alternate format upon request. Susan Trist, DSS coordinator, is available to discuss appropriate academic accommodations that students may require. Please contact Susan Trist, that's her number and email, at your earliest convenience. So here's a list of important dates. Pretty sure they're accurate. Excuse me. And here's our schedule for the semester. So Chapter 1 is a review, in my opinion. Some people may feel this is new material to them. I don't know how people were prepared in the past. I do review this because I feel some people may have missed it or maybe not have gotten a good solid footing on it. In fact, Chapters 1 and 2 are review. In Chapter 3 we get into the new material. So then we have our midterm, and then Chapter 4 and 5. So there's our semester at a glance. This is tentative. If we have to move things around, we can. So just pay attention to that. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.